Welcome to Majestic Life. Today I'm going to talk about types of teas and their health benefits. Tea is the most popular beverage in the world after water. It's a simple preparation of pouring hot water over cured leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. The first recording of tea described it as a medicinal beverage in China in the 3rd century AD. There are many different types of tea varieties, and each one of them boasts its own origins, flavor profiles, and health benefits. Let's start our list. 1. Black tea. Black tea is derived from the Camellia sinensis plant. Leaves of the plant are crushed, curled, rolled, or torn and then left to oxidize before they're dried and sold. The fact that the leaves are fully oxidized accounts for black tea's strong, dark flavor profile. Benefits of black tea. Black tea support heart health, help support the body's protection against oxidative stress, which happens when damaging free radicals are left unchecked in the body. 2. Green tea. Green tea is prepared from the fresh or withered, lightly heated or steamed leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. This preparation stops the oxidation process and accounts for green tea's flavor profile, which is best described as light, fresh, and maybe slightly grassy. Benefits of green tea support mental alertness and acuity. Support heart health, help support the body's natural protection against oxidative stress, support brain health. 3. Oolong tea, also known as Oolong or black dragon tea. Oolong tea is semi-oxidized and is always produced as a whole leaf tea. The level of oxidation can range widely, and so can the tea's flavor, color, and aroma. The less oxidized the tea, the lighter it is in color. More oxidized, the darker the color. Benefits of Oolong tea: it has several antioxidant compounds including EGCG, theaflavins, and theorubigens. These compounds can help support the body's protective measures against free radicals and oxidative stress. It may support heart health. It may support brain health. 4. Pu-erh tea. Pu-erh fermented tea is often more expensive than other teas, and it boasts a loyal, borderline fanatic, fan club. Pu-erh tea is also derived from the leaves and stems of the Camellia sinensis plant. It mostly originates from the Yunnan province of China and may be sold in the form of a brick, cake, or dried leaves. Benefits of Pu-erh tea: because of its caffeine content, it can help support mental alertness, it is high in antioxidant properties, it may support heart health, it may help support healthy skin. 5. White tea. White tea is created from new buds and young leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. The silver hairs on the new buds account for the tea's whitish hue. Right after harvesting, these buds and leaves are steamed or fried to stop the oxidation process. Then the leaves are dried. This style of processing leads to a light, delicate, and fruity flavor. White tea is also lower in caffeine than other teas. Benefits of white tea: it has antioxidant properties, meaning it can potentially help protect against oxidative stress, it may help support the body's response to inflammation, it may help support dental health thanks to the fact that it contains fluoride, catechins, and tannins. It may help support brain health. 6. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is a pretty, elegant, and fragrant herb that belongs in the Asteraceae plant family. People have been using chamomile for therapeutic purposes for centuries, and today it's a popular tea especially among people who are looking to unwind before bed. Chamomile tea is made from the dried flowers of the chamomile plant. Benefits of chamomile tea: it may support calm and perhaps support healthier sleep habits. It may support digestion. 7. Ginger tea. The spicy root, or rhizome, of the ginger plant belongs to the same family as healthful spices such as cardamom and turmeric. It adds flavor to a huge variety of dishes and drinks, and people have been using it for therapeutic purposes for thousands of years. It also makes for a delicious and healthful tea. Benefits of ginger tea: ginger contain compounds gingerols and shogaols which help support the body's response to inflammation. Ginger is also well known for helping with nausea and helping people cope with motion sickness. 8. Hibiscus Tea. Hibiscus tea is derived from the hibiscus plant. This plant grows native in North Africa and Southeast Asia and can be found in tropical and subtropical climates around the globe. The red brew is simultaneously sweet and tart. It's commonly enjoyed as an iced tea and is a fantastic and refreshing summer drink. Benefits of hibiscus tea: it's high in antioxidants, it may support healthy cholesterol management, it may help support liver health. 9. Mint tea. Peppermint tea is perhaps the most popular herbal tea around and is used in a myriad of different herbal infusions. This minty brew, which is derived from the leaves of the mint plant, smells and tastes great and is commonly used to settle an upset stomach. Benefits of mint tea: it may support digestion and may help make your belly feel a little better. Animal studies suggest mint can help support relaxation in the digestive system and help ease spasms in the gut. Even though it's caffeine-free, peppermint tea might have a natural energizing effect. 10. Rooibos Tea. This caffeine-free herbal tea is well known for its rich, red hue and sweet, earthy, slightly floral flavor. Rooibos tea is also sometimes called red tea or red bush tea. It's derived from the fermented leaves of the Aspalathus linearis shrub, which grows natively in South Africa. Benefits of Rooibos tea: it's loaded with antioxidant compounds, including asparagine, notophagan, and quercetin, which may help support protection against oxidative stress. It may help support heart health. It may help support strong teeth and bones. Red rooibos is loaded with fluoride minerals as well as calcium and manganese, all of which may help support bone and teeth strength. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.